Yeah. Scared. Damn. Fuck him. Damn. Bruh. They say, kid, why you talking? The fuck? You ain't really about it. Nah. You have never seen 30s. Nah. You ain't living on that shit. And I'm like, fuck what you heard, boy. Fuck. You ain't even know my life. You ain't know shit. You ain't know me that long, boy. Yeah. But you only know one side. Hey, history, history, history. Woo. Now you gon' know about my history. Yeah. History, history, history. Woo. Now you gon' know about my history. Yeah. History, history, history. Woo. Now you gon' know about my history. Yeah. History, history, history. Now you gon' know about my history. Yeah. Stop talking, you ain't know me, boy. I like being quiet, I like making noise. If I don't talk, it's just cause I want. It means that I'm gone. If I talk, you don't. Do you know that he was a crackhead? Do you know mommy have been selling? Do you know that I have an uncle that be back inside of 30 years on that bitch? Mi país se metía coca y es por eso que no lo conozco. Mi padrastro murió por la droga y es por eso que me quedé solo. Si no hablo no porque no vivo, si no hablo porque pa' que socio. Si no muevo no es porque no sepa, porque esa ruina ya me la conozco. Que ya sé que yo no soy un killer, que ya sé que no soy grand drug dealer, pero he visto a mi tío moviendo y hasta mi maíz se pegan cocaína. Toda esa vaina ya la tengo vista. Ahora ya sabes sobre mi historia, ya sabes dónde está mi familia. Yo de la vuestra no me sé ni un poco. They say, hey, why you talking? You ain't really about it. You have never seen 30s. You ain't living on that shit. And I'm like, but what you heard, boy? You ain't even know my life. You ain't know me that long, boy. But you only know one side of my history. History, history. Now you gon' know about my history. History, history, history. Now you gon' know about my history. History, history, history. Now you gon' know about my history. History, history, history. Now you gon' know about my history. Yeah, I'm cute, call me sucio, guapo. Living dirty since I was an ano. Mama raised me to be a sensato. Not sell no doubt on a bando. I'll be making clothes, making chavos. I'll be selling weed and coca ratos. Yeah, I know that I'm not a chapo, but in which lyric did I say so loud? Trapping and trapping and trapping and trapping, ¿pa' qué? ¿Pa' sacar 4 perros? Yo le doy 600 a mi uncle, recupero 300. I don't know why they hate, they know me, if they ain't even know me. But lyrically I'm supersonic, and y'all look like a zombie. Talking, dissing everybody on me. Mamá me crió pa' no acabarme. I don't talk, cause my shit is on me. Ahora pa' tu hablar ya tienes argumento. I don't give a fuck, I still going up. I might kill the track, I might be on top. Still broken, I still on the block. But all your family got money, huh? Yeah, that's my history, bitch. Yo, L gang in this bitch. DBT in this bitch. Gang, bitch, bitch, bitch.